friends, let me start with a simple question. How many of us can answer this question, who am I? Think about it. Can you speak on this particular question? Can you answer this question in say next 10 minutes continuously? Isn't it a very difficult question now? So, at times what happens with us is that we tend to think about self as something we are not very clear of. We try to put on another face when we talk to others, and at times we just don't know how people perceive us. So here we are with a very interesting model given by Joseph Luft and Harry Ingham, and they call it Joe Harry, that is after their own names, and they call it Jory Windows. Now this particular model was very interesting because it talks about two aspects of knowing self, that is, what do I know about myself and what do others know about me. So there are four quadrants wherein we understand that the first quadrant is open quadrant, and here it is said that I know about self and others also know about me. So it is like saying that I'm an open book, whatever I am, people know about me, and depending on the size of the quadrant, the more exposed I am. There is another term used for this particular quadrant, and that is an arena. Well, the arena is a concept you can discover from Greek civilization, wherein there were fights in the big stadiums. So everybody was there to watch what is happening and what people are doing. There was nothing hidden over there. So that is the first space, and it's like an open book, like I said. The next quadrant that we talk about is wherein I don't know about something but others know it. It's like saying that my shirt is torn on the back and I don't know about it, and people are laughing at me because I'm wearing a torn shirt. So we also call it a blind spot. So somewhere down the line there are few things that I don't know about myself but others are aware of it. So I need to discover it for sure. The third quadrant that we talk about is I do not go about telling everything about myself, right? So even if you check your accounts on social media, not everything has been declared by you. There are some things that you hide from others. So it is not necessary that I tell everyone everything about me. So there are certain hidden skills that I have and I have not shared it with anyone so far. So we say there is a quadrant which is a hidden quadrant. Now this hidden quadrant is like whatever you have been, nobody knows, right? You alone know what is there. So nobody is going to recognize you, right? So we say that probably whatever is useful, try to come out of it, fine? The fourth quadrant is something that, well, I don't know, and at the same time, others also don't know. It's like saying that, well, would I like to go for bungee jumping? Well, I don't know. I've never tried it, right? And others also don't know. Their answer would be, well, we are not sure whether he'll be able to do it or not. So what we are talking about is the dark quadrant. So when I say the dark quadrant, it's like saying that, well, I need to explore it, fine? So this particular model is very interesting in the manner that it talks about these four quadrants, that how much you know about yourself and how much is known by others about you and whatever is missing. So probably now you might be in a position to answer this simple question, who am I, in, say, a lot of words now, if not less, fine? Happy learning.